Hello student, today I am going to derive an induced EMF due to rotation of a conducting rod in a magnetic field. Consider a straight conducting rod of length L in a region where magnetic field B acting perpendicular to the plane of the rod as shown in figure. Let the rod OP be rotated with a uniform angular speed omega about one of its endpoint O so that the other end P describes a circular path of radius L. If the rod is rotated through an angle d theta in small time dt, then the area generated by the rotation of the rod is given by dA equal to half L d theta half L square d theta. Now you see the diagram. When this rod OP is moving from the position OP to OQ, then area covered by the rod is half L square d theta. As we know, this is the form of triangle. Area of triangle is half into base into altitude. Here base is L and altitude is L d theta. So area covered by this rod is half L square d theta. Now magnetic flux linked with the area generated by the rotation of rod is given by d phi b equal to b dA cos of 0 degree. We are putting the value of dA. dA is half L square d theta. So therefore half b L square d theta. Differentiating above equation with respect to time t, d phi b by dt equal to half b L square d theta by dt. Here d theta by dt is equal to angular speed omega. Therefore d phi b by dt equal to half b L square omega. According to Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, the induced EMF is given by E equal to minus d phi bb by dt. Therefore, magnitude of induced EMF d phi equal to d phi b by dt is equal to half B L square omega. E equal to half B L square omega. This is the required expression of induced EMF due to rotation of a conducting rod in a magnetic field. On applying Fleming's right-hand rule, we find that the end O is at higher potential than the end point P. Let us do one numerical problem on the basis of this theory. A metal rod of length 2 meter is rotated about one of its ends at a constant rate of 240 rotation per minute in a plane at right angles to an external uniform magnetic field of 0.05 Tesla. Find the potential difference developed between the two ends of the rod. Here, length of the rod L 2 meter, magnetic field 0.05 Tesla, frequency is given nu equal to 240 rotation per minute. If we convert into second, then we have to divide by 60 rotation per second, which is equal to 0 cancel is 4 rotation per second. Therefore, angular frequency omega equal to 2 pi nu, 2 pi into nu value is 4, so 8 pi rotation per second. Therefore, potential difference between the two ends of the rod equal to half BL square omega. Now we are putting the value of magnetic field B, which is 0.05 Tesla, length of the rod 2 square, and angular frequency or angular speed is 8 pi. 2 square is 4, 8 pi, 2 times 0.05 into 2 into 8 pi. If you calculate using calculator, you will get 2.5 volt, which the required value is 2.5 volt. If the rod of length 2 meter is rotated, the induced in a magnetic field, then induced EMF produces 2.5 volt. Thank you.